If your BMW is telling you to change your oil at 15,000 miles, ignore it. Change it at 7,500. That one decision alone could be the difference between a healthy turbocharged engine and a $4,000 repair bill sitting in your driveway. And that's just the beginning. Because here's what nobody tells you when you buy a BMW. The maintenance schedule in your owner's manual was not written to protect your engine. It was written to minimize your visits to the dealership during the warranty period. After that, you're on your own. This video is the real schedule, the one independent BMW mechanics use, the one that keeps these cars running past 200,000 miles without catastrophic failures, and the one that the dealership is quietly hoping you never find. Let's get into it. BMW's onboard system is called Condition-Based Service, CBS. It monitors your driving patterns and tells you when to come in for maintenance. Most guys see that and think, perfect, I'll just wait for the light. That's where it starts going wrong. The CBS system was calibrated for average driving under average conditions. What it doesn't know is whether you're doing short city trips that never fully warm the engine. It doesn't know your climate. It doesn't know how hard you're pushing that turbo on the highway. And on modern turbocharged BMWs, which covers virtually every current model, every 2, 3, 5, X3, X5, and M car in the market, the CBS can and will recommend oil changes at 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Here's why that matters. Turbocharged engines run at dramatically higher heat than naturally aspirated ones. That heat degrades oil faster. As oil breaks down, it stops protecting bearing surfaces. It allows carbon to accumulate on intake valves, and it begins to sludge inside the engine. That sludge doesn't just cause wear. It clogs the oil passages feeding your Vanos system, which we'll come back to later. Use the CBS as a reminder, not a gospel. The light tells you something is due. It does not tell the full truth about what your engine needs. Here is the maintenance schedule that will actually protect your BMW. Keep this video bookmarked. Write it down. This is the real blueprint. Every 5,000 miles, the free inspection that saves everything. Every 5,000 miles, spend 20 minutes with your car. Check tire pressure. BMW specifies different PSI front and rear, and running them uneven destroys tires faster than anything else. Check fluid levels, coolant, brake fluid, power steering. Look underneath your car on a clean surface. Fresh spots mean something is leaking that shouldn't be. This costs nothing. It catches small problems before they become catastrophic ones. Most guys skip it. Most guys also end up surprised by repair bills that at a 20-minute visual would have prevented months earlier. Every 7,500 miles. Oil change, non-negotiable. On any turbocharged BMW, N54, N55, B58, S55, S58, change your oil at 7,500 miles, full stop. The N54, which powered the 335i, 535i, and 1M from 2006 to 2011, is notorious for carbon buildup on intake valves when oil changes are extended. That carbon restricts airflow, kills power, and eventually requires a walnut blasting service that runs $400 to $700. Regular oil changes at proper intervals slow that accumulation dramatically. The B58, the engine in your current 340i, 440i, M240i, and the Z4, is a more refined engine. But it still runs a twin-scrolled turbo that generates serious heat. Push your oil changes to 15,000 miles on a B58, and you're accelerating wear on a bearing system that has very tight clearances. Use only BMW LL01 or LL04 rated full synthetic. Do not let a quick lube shop put in conventional 5W30. That is not a minor substitution. That is the wrong oil in a precision engine. Cost at a quality independent shop, $120 to $180. At a BMW dealer, often $250 and up. Same job, very different bill. Every 15,000 miles, air filter and cabin filter. Engine air filter and cabin microfilter, both inspected and typically replaced. If you're in a dusty environment, Arizona, Texas, Nevada, do it sooner. These are $20 to $60 parts. Restricted airflow hurts fuel economy, reduces throttle response, and on turbocharged engines, makes the turbo work harder than it should. The cabin filter is quality of life. The engine filter is performance and longevity. Neither is optional at this interval. Every 2 years, brake fluid flush. Notice this one isn't listed by mileage. That's intentional. And it's one of the most important distinctions in this entire schedule. BMW's official recommendation is a brake fluid flush every 2 years. Not every 30,000 miles. Not when the CBS light tells you. Every 2 years on the calendar, regardless of how much or how little you've driven. Here's why. BMW brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air over time. And that process happens whether your car is being driven hard every day or sitting in a heated garage all winter. The moisture accumulation is time-based, not mileage-based. As water content rises in your brake fluid, the boiling point drops. And when brake fluid boils under heavy use, a mountain descent, a track day, a sudden emergency stop, you get vapor lock. Vapor doesn't compress. Your pedal goes to the floor and you have no brakes. Every 2 years, fresh DOT4, full flush. Cost $100 to $150. The alternative isn't a repair bill, it's a guardrail. Every 40,000 to 50,000 miles, spark plugs. BMW specifies iridium plugs with extended service intervals, but extended doesn't mean ignored. On turbocharged engines, carbon fouling on spark plugs is a real and documented problem. Worn or fouled plugs cause misfires. Misfires trigger the check engine light, and if you keep driving on misfires, you're pushing raw fuel into your exhaust system. That raw fuel hits catalytic converters, and here's where it gets very expensive. A catalytic converter replacement on a current BMW, depending on model, runs $1,500 to $3,500. On the N63, the twin turbocharged V8 that powers the X5, 50i, 750i, and M850i. You have 4 of them. 4 catalytic converters. Do the math on that repair bill if you let a misfire run long enough. Plugs at 50,000 miles, $150 to $250. This is not where you save money. Every 50,000 miles, cooling system inspection. BMW cooling systems have a well-documented vulnerability. Plastic components, expansion tanks, thermostat housings, water pump impellers. These plastics become brittle over time and under heat cycling. They crack. They fail without warning. Here's exactly what happens when your expansion tank cracks. You lose coolant. Slowly at first, maybe a drip, maybe just evaporation you don't notice. The coolant level drops. The temperature climbs. Your aluminum cylinder head operating at temperatures it was never designed to sustain without proper cooling begins to warp. Now you're not looking at a $40 expansion tank, you're looking at a $6,000 to $9,000 engine repair. Head off, machine shop, new head gasket, hope the block is still true. At 50,000 miles, have an independent BMW specialist put the car on a lift and inspect the entire cooling system. Look at the expansion tank for discoloration and micro cracks. Check the hoses. The water pump on many BMW models is electronically driven. When it fails, you can overheat an engine in less than 10 minutes. The inspection costs you next to nothing. What it prevents costs you everything. Every 60,000 miles, transmission and differential service. Here's one of the biggest myths in BMW ownership needs to be killed permanently. BMW calls the fluid in their ZF 8-speed automatic transmission a lifetime fill. They use that phrase in the documentation. They say it in the dealership, and guys believe it. What BMW doesn't say, and what they're hoping you never figure out, is that lifetime means until the end of the warranty period, not until 200,000 miles, not until the car is done, until the warranty expires. After that, their liability ends, and your transmission is on its own. Fresh fluid at 60,000 miles. The ZF 8HP is a magnificent transmission. Smooth, fast, intelligent. It's also in everything from BMWs to Rolls-Royces to Bentleys. When it's maintained, it lasts the life of the car. When it runs degraded fluid past 100,000 miles, you're looking at a $4,000 to $6,000 rebuild. Same goes for your rear differential fluid and front differential if you're running xDrive. Inexpensive fluid, critical drivetrain protection. Do it at 60,000. Every 80,000 to 100,000 miles, valve cover gasket and Vanos. On the N52, N54, N55, and B58 platforms, the valve cover gasket begins to fail at high mileage. You'll smell burning oil after a hard run. You'll see residue pooling near the top of the engine. Left alone, oil migrates down into the spark plug tubes, causing the misfires we already talked about, and gets onto hot exhaust surfaces. That's not just a maintenance issue, that's a fire risk. The Vanos system, BMW's variable valve timing technology, also needs attention at this interval. Vanos solenoids clog with oil sludge over time. The symptoms are subtle at first. A rough idle when cold, a rattle at startup that clears after 30 seconds, a loss of low-end torque that you might just chalk up to age. Clean or replace the solenoids, and drivers consistently report that the car feels like it got 20 horsepower back, because it essentially did. This is also the interval where the N63 owners in the audience need to pay very close attention. The N63 V8, found in the X5 50i, 7 Series, and M850i, has a known issue with valve stem seals. When those seals fail, the engine burns oil. It doesn't necessarily dump oil fast enough to set a warning light, it just quietly consumes it. And if you're not checking your dipstick between services, you can find yourself running a quart or more low on oil between changes. On a high-performance twin-turbo V8, that level of oil starvation causes serious long-term bearing wear. If you own an N63, check your oil every month, not every service, every month. BMWs don't fail because they're German. They fail because owners follow the warranty schedule instead of a longevity schedule. The guys running their BMWs past 200,000 miles without drama aren't lucky, they're disciplined. They know the schedule. They find a good shop, they keep the records, and they stay ahead of the failures before the failures find them. Now you have the same schedule they do. If this saved you money, or if it's about to, hit subscribe. We cover this stuff every week. And drop a comment below right now. Tell us what BMW you're running, what engine you've got, and how many miles are on the clock. We read every single one, and we want to know what's in your garage. Take care of the machine, and it will take care of you.